Hello students, in this video we shall learn about the first chapter of computer from 7th standard, internet and email. In the previous video we have learned about some types of domain names, how to getting connected to the internet and some search engines. In this video we shall learn about how to open Internet Explorer, what is search engine, what is hyperlink and another things also. So let we start. In this slide you can see open Internet Explorer. So how can we open an Internet Explorer? Suppose you have computer at the home. Okay, when you will start your computer on the desktop, you can see taskbar. Okay, in your taskbar you can see on the left side one button. This is called start button. Here you can see this is called start button. The start button is used to start your menu. When you will click on start button, you can see this kind of pop-up menu. In this you can see Internet Explorer here. When you will click here, you are able to open Internet Explorer. Now suppose we have opened here Internet Explorer. What are there we can find in Internet Explorer? So when you open Internet Explorer, you can see this kind of window on your desktop. It might be possible, suppose your default setting is different, so you can get another windows is there, but here you can see Google is there. So when you will open Internet Explorer, the first you can see here active tab. Then we have menu bar. In menu bar you can see some menus are there. Then we have here title bar. In title bar you can see title of the document, and then here you can see address bar. In address bar we can type URL, means universal resource locator. Then we can see here status bar also. In status bar you can see the status of your document. Then here connectivity icon. Suppose your internet is already connected, here you can see internet is here. Now in Internet Explorer windows, what we have, let me discuss about this. First we have title bar. So what is title bar? The title bar displays the name of the current web page, means the web page that you are viewing, the name of that web page you can see in your title bar. Suppose we have opened here Windows Internet Explorer and the page name is Google here, so we can see here Google. Okay, then at the right side of the title bar we can see three buttons are there. This is called minimize button, restore down button and close button. Minimize button is used to minimize your window. Restore down button is used when you will click on restore down button, once it will the window will become bigger, and the next time when you will click again on that, the window will become smaller. The close button is used to close your application. Suppose if you want to close your application, if you want to close your window, you can click on close button. Now to another window you can see, to another button you can see in address bar. So what is address bar? The address bar displays the address, means URL, universal resource locator of the website. Here you can see this is current URL here. Okay, the left side of the URL you can see two buttons are there. Here two buttons are there. These are back button and forward button. Back button is used to go to back to the web page. Suppose you are on third page, fourth page, fifth page of your website. If you want to go back, suppose you are in third page and you want to go in on second page, you can click on back button. Forward button is used to go to the next page. Suppose you are on second page and if you want to go to the third page of your website, you can click on forward button. Two another button are there. This is called refresh and stop button. Refresh button is used to refresh a web page. It is used to download the latest content, and stop button is used to stop the downloading. So where can we get two buttons? Here. This is called refresh and this is stop button. Okay. Next, fourth number we have third number we have menu bar. In menu bar we can see different kinds of menu like file, edit, view, favorite, tools and help. Okay. This menu contains a list of commands that you use while viewing web pages. Fourth number we have active tab. The active tab shows the name of the web page or the website that you are currently viewing. Means here when the download is going on, you can see this kind of sign on your active tab, but when the download is already completed, you can see the complete sign of Google. Next we have status bar. In status bar you can see download is complete. Means what? When your download is perfectly completely finished, you can see done and connect to the internet. This is, you can see when you are already connecting to the internet. Suppose when you have some problem with the connection of internet, you can't see it properly here. Next, visit a website. Suppose if you want to open any website, so how can we open it? Here you can see by default Google homepage of the default homepage. Google is the default homepage in Internet Explorer. But suppose instead of Google, if you want to open some another website, okay, आपको कोई दूसरी website open करनी है, so how can we do this? There are two ways to do it. Okay, उसके दो रास्ते. Okay, तो first one we are going to learn. Suppose here you can simply type it in this space. Okay, you can see here when you will type it and when you will click when you will enter. Okay, आपके कीबोर्ड में से जो एंटर की key आती है, when you will enter that key, enter, you can able to open your website. Okay, आपने जहाँ यहाँ पर जो भी नाम लिखा होगा रिलेटेड उसके आप वेबसाइट ओपन कर सकते हो. The another way is how can we open it? In here address bar you can see. Okay, this is called address bar. Okay, here also you can see address bar. In your address bar you can type the URL, means universal resource locator. आपको जो भी साइट, आपको जो भी आपके साइट आप जो भी वेबसाइट ओपन करना चाहते हो उसकी कंप्लीट आपके पास URL होनी चाहिए. सपोज https://www.navneet.com. Suppose when I will type it here and when I will click on go button, so when can I go button? Look at here you can see go button is there. This is called click here. जो आपको click here लिखा है, okay, you have to click on go button. When you will click on go button, you are able to open that Navneet website, because why? We have typed www.navneet.com in address bar. Okay, so now we have already opened Navneet homepage. Here you can see this is the first Navneet homepage here. Now what are hyperlinks? Now let me discuss. We have already discussed what is back button and what is forward button. Back button is used to go back to the web page you visited before the current one. मीन्स अभी आपने जो भी पेज ओपन किया है उसके पहले के पेज पर अगर आपको जाना तो यू कैन यूज़ बैक बटन. सपोज नाउ यू आर ऑन थर्ड पेज एंड इफ़ यू वांट टू गो इन सेकंड पेज यू कैन क्लिक ऑन बैक बटन. बट फॉरवर्ड बटन इज यूज go to the next page. Suppose we have open here third page, okay, and if you want to go fourth, fifth page, you can click on forward button. Now come to what is hyperlink. Look at here. A hyperlink is a shortcut to another web page. A hyperlink allows you to visit a web page or a website without typing in its long URL. A hyperlink could be an image or text. So where can we see hyperlink? Look at this. These are two pages are given here. Okay, दो pages windows हमको दिए हैं यहाँ पे. I am showing you where are the hyperlinks. Look at here. In first image you can see here point here. Can you see it? This is point here, and where the point is end, this is called hyperlink. When we click on that hyperlink, we are able to go on another page. In second image also, here title of the page, can you see it here, title of the page here. When you will click on that, we are able to go another web. So hyperlink is a solution. Okay, hyperlink क्या एक solution है. Sometimes when we are जब हमको कोई भी वेबसाइट ओपन करनी है तो उसके लिए हमें URL टाइप करनी होती है. बट व्हेन वी हैव दिस काइंड ऑफ हाइपरलिंक ऑन द वेब पेज, हाइपरलिंक जब ऐसी वेब पेज पे होती है तो जब हम डायरेक्टली उन पर क्लिक करते हैं तो वी आर एबल टू गो अनदर वेब पेज. हमको फिर क्या है कि वो हाइपरलिंक को टाइप करने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं होती है. In this page also you can see some kinds of hyperlink here. Look at here, hyperlink is written here. Okay, this is hyperlink. This is also called hyperlink. This is also hyperlink. Okay. This is also some kinds of hyperlinks are given here. On your page number also you can see this is on your page number 13 and page number 14 and 15 also. Okay. So we have discussed here what is hyperlink. Keep in your mind what is the definition of hyperlink. Hyperlink is a shortcut to go another web page. It could be an image or text also. Okay. Now let me study what is stop, refresh and home button. We have already learned about what is stop button. Stop button is used to stop the downloading process and refresh button is used to download the latest content. But what is home button here? You can see the home button is used to go to the default home page. And suppose when you have opened any website and you are on fourth page of that website, otherwise fifth page of that website, and if you want to directly go on the first page, okay, so what can we do? We can simply click on home button. Where can we get this home button? So here you can see the fourth number here, you can see click on home here. We can get home button on here, click to go to the default home page. This is called home button. When you will click on home, you can directly go on default home page. Okay, now come to search engine. A search engine is a site on the www which helps you to search for other website. तो सर्च इंजन क्या है? वो सर्च इंजन एक साइट है www यानी वर्ल्ड वाइड वेब पे एक साइट है जो किसके लिए यूज़ होती है. तो कोई भी अगर कोई भी इंफॉर्मेशन आपको सर्च करनी है तो उसके लिए सर्च इंजन यूज़ होता है. सपोज गूगल क्रोम, दिस आर द सर्च इंजिन्स. ओके, नाउ so here in this page number 19, you can see this is the Google search engine is given here. If you want to search something, so what can we do? We can simply type it here. In text box you can see this is called text box. In this text box you can type something whatever you want to search, and when you will click on Google search, यहाँ पे लिखा है, when you will click on Google search, otherwise you can simply enter, you can simply press enter key from your keyboard also. So we are able to open the page that you are searching for. So this is the use of search engine. So students, we have learned so many things in this video. The next video we shall learn about how to create how to create an email ID and what are the use of email ID. Till then you have to learn all these things. In your page in your textbook also you will get it everything. Okay, till then, goodbye.